and it's going.
Okay.
All right. So Dr. Regnery has already done a full mouth extraction, so we're just going to demonstrate the different utensils. We have the dental probe, which dips underneath the gum pocket to measure the space in between. You don't want to apply too much pressure so you're not forcing a reading that is incorrect. So that just slides down underneath that gum pocket. Our shepherd's hook checks for abnormalities along the tooth surface, both below the gum. Like there's a pocket right here that you can feel on the tooth. So that's technically what we would do with the shepherd's hook. Our sickle scaler has a cutting edge on both sides. So we would place it in at about an 80-degree angle and go across the surface of the tooth in short overlapping motion.
It's hard to see what you're doing in there.
No worries.
Yeah, right there. Okay, that's good.
All right.
Your hand is
So
still
again,
covering. Okay. Yes, it's covering up a little bit. You might have to cut that out a little bit.
okay. So short overlapping motions with the sickle scaler, and it's going to remove the calculus. Dr. Regnery's already removed the majority of the calculus, so we're good there. And finally, our curette hand scaler. It also removes calculus along with root planing. And there too, it just slides up the surface of the tooth, removing any calculus that is on the surface. But since Dr. Regnery has gotten the majority of the calculus off, we're going to use the scaler to clean up the teeth. And I think that has a pause button on it somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'd rinse the mouth with the DentaHex. We're going to get the scaler out and make sure that it's working properly before use and that there's enough water. You don't want to scale on a tooth longer than about 3 seconds as it heats it up. I'm having a hard time seeing what the glass is.
Oh, battery. Battery saver. Okay. Okay.
I'm going to go straight to the polisher since I'm running out of battery.
Oh no, this could be snacks. Let me get just pause. Pause.
All right. And then for polishing.
Is it working? Okay.
I'm going to take some of that polish. And catch all surfaces of the tooth after the dental. Awesome.
Awesome. Okay.